at 3-1. We have Coach Pido Arencio, Christian Manaytay, and Portsky Patrigaw. Coach, congratulations for this bounce back win. Ano yung sinabi mo sa mga bata after nung loss niya Adamson, and how they responded with this victory? Ano man sabi?
Okay, first of all, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Okay. Yung talo namin against Adamson after that game, yun nga, sa amin kasi pass is pass. We look forward, no? Against NU, naging aggressive yung mga bata. Yung the will to win nandun. Basta kami, a win is a win, no? 2 points, so 3 point, 1 point. This is a total team effort. Lahat ng tulungan. Si Portsky made that last 2 possession shots, breaks of the game din, no? Then Christian is steady. I hope we sustain this, no, na hanggang yun nga, next game namin is against Lasal. Medyo alam naman natin, super lakas yung team na yun.
5 rebounds, 3 assists, and +9. So, sabi ni Coach Pido, you're steady today. So, ano man sayo mo sa pinakita mo today, especially kailangan yung bumawi from that tough loss against Adamson?
Well, pinakita ko lang yung kung paano ako maglaro, yung same lang. And siguro leadership kasi knowing the team kanina, we were really down nung nakalaman sila ng, I think, nakasampung lang mga ata sila sa amin. So, we're really thankful na nag-usap kami sa dugout na really need to bounce back. Yun lang. I think this is a team effort. Yun lang.
Thank you. To Portsky, you have 8 points, 5 assists, 3 rebounds, and 1 steal, and +15 sa loob ng court. Yung go-ahead basket mo in the final 29 seconds. What can you say na clutch ka this time?
Hindi, nagkataon lang din talaga siguro kasi the few possessions back, talagang i-plate ako para sa teammates ko. Come that possession, yung last possession na yun, bigla silang nag-switch. So, ginawa ko lang yung right thing. Thank you, Lord. Pumasok.